the 2025 Mahindra Armada marks the powerful return of a legendary nameplate, now completely reimagined for the modern SUV market. Built on a rugged ladder-on frame chassis, the new Armada blends traditional off-road toughness with contemporary style and technology. This video gives you a full breakdown of the vehicle's main components, standout features, and pricing, all in just 5 minutes. At the front, the Armada features a bold and upright stance with a wide, slatted grille bearing Mahindra's signature Twin Peaks logo. It's flanked by sleek LED headlights with integrated DRLs, giving it a sharp and aggressive look. The sculpted hood and squared-off wheel arches underline its SUV DNA, reminiscent of old-school 4x4s but wrapped in a premium design language. Under the hood, the 2025 Armada is expected to come with a 2.2-litre M-Hawk diesel engine producing around 175 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque, mated to either a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. There may also be a petrol variant featuring a 2.0-litre turbocharged M-Stallion engine, tuned for performance and efficiency. The vehicle is expected to offer 4WD with a low-range transfer case, catering to serious off-road enthusiasts. Inside, the Armada surprises with a well-appointed, tech-forward cabin. The dashboard is centered around a 10.25-inch floating infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A fully digital instrument cluster, automatic climate control, and a premium audio system round out the comfort features. the upholstery combines leatherette with fabric inserts, and the second row offers ample legroom and rear AC vents, making it family-friendly. Safety features include 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, electronic stability program, ESP, and a 360-degree camera. Suspension duties are handled by an independent double wishbone setup at the front and a multi-link system at the rear, tuned to offer both on-road comfort and off-road capability. The Armada rides on 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, depending on the variant, with high-profile tires for superior grip. One of the most impressive aspects is the SUV's modular architecture, likely shared with the Scorpio N, ensuring durability and versatility. Roof rails, skid plates, and side steps come standard on higher variants, adding utility and rugged flair. As for pricing, the 2025 Mahindra Armada is expected to start around a superscript 115 lakh for the base variant and go up to a superscript 122 lakh for the fully loaded top-end trim. This makes it a strong competitor to vehicles like the Tata Safari, Hyundai Alcazar, and the upcoming Ford Kuga 5-door. With its blend of heritage-inspired design, modern tech, powerful drivetrains, and off-road capability, the 2025 Mahindra Armada is set to be one of the most talked-about SUVs of the year. Whether you're an adventure lover or a city dweller looking for road presence and comfort, the Armada delivers an all-around package.